Changing your profile picture on eBay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Access the eBay website and enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your username or the My eBay option located at the top of the page. Step 3. Select Account Settings. In your profile, look for the Account Settings or Edit Profile option. Click on it to access your account customization options. Step 4. Update your profile picture. Find the section for your profile picture. Click on the option to change or upload a new image. Choose a photo from your device that meets eBay's requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for Save or Update button and click it to finalize your new profile image. Now your eBay profile picture is updated. Enjoy your new look and happy selling!